On June 24th, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar announced that all urban and multi-state cooperative banks will be brought under the supervision of the Reserve Bank of India. This means government banks including 1,482 cooperative banks and 58 multi-state cooperative banks are now under RBI supervisory powers. The decision will benefit over 8.6 crore depositors with an investment of around Rs 4.84 lakh crore in these banks. What does this mean for depositors? Cooperative banks will now be scrutinized and regulated just like commercial banks. With the latest amendment, RBI will have more power to audit the books of urban and multi-state cooperative banks and deal with wrongdoers. RBI has also asked UCBs to report borrowers' details with exposure of Rs 5 crore and above, and also when the bank writes off loans worth that amount. What's the plight of cooperative banks? So far, Registrar of Cooperative Societies used to audit cooperative banks while RBI would inspect their books once a year. RBI did not have complete control over the governance of these banks. Due to political intervention, RBI's inspection would not be as stringent as that of commercial banks. The dual regulation between RBI and RCS messed up the governance of UCBs. Smaller banks were regulated by National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development and RCS. Although poor performance and financial irregularities in the cooperative banking sector have been rising over the years, it was only after Punjab and Maharashtra cooperative bank scam that RBI started taking strict action. In 2020, RBI has imposed restrictions on at least 44 cooperative banks across the country. Two banks, CKP Cooperative Bank in Maharashtra and Mapasa Urban Cooperative Bank of Goa, were asked to shut shop. In January, RBI placed restrictions on Bengaluru-based Sri Guru Raghavendra Sahakara Bank and capped withdrawals beyond Rs 35,000 per account. Kolkata's Kolikata Mahila Cooperative Bank had to go through the same fate with withdrawal restrictions of Rs 1,000 per account. On June 11th, RBI asked People's Cooperative Bank not to issue fresh loans or accept deposits without the central bank's approval. Maharashtra's Youth Development Cooperative Bank was also placed under such restrictions. In June, financial curbs were issued on 4 more banks.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Money Control, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Money Control Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Money Control Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service, with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Money Control Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Money Control Pro.